Good afternoon, volleyball fans. Masantos yang aramod si kayo namin Pangasinenses. We are now heading to our 5 games in the men's division in the Western Conference of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 under the leadership of Governor Ramon Monmon Vigico III for our first game. It is the battle between the municipality of Mangatarem having 2-2 standing versus municipality of Mabini having 0-5 standing. In this matchup, we will be witnessing on how these two teams prepared for this game. Makakakuha nga ba ng another win ang Municipality of Mangatarem or makakakuha ng unang panalo ang Municipality of Mabini? Volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our Governor's Cup page because our first game in the men's division is about to start. This is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.
Good afternoon once again and welcome here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center and to everyone joining us through our live coverage from different parts of Pangasinan. Welcome back to another exciting afternoon of volleyball action in the Governor Ramon V. Gico III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. We hope you have enjoyed an incredible morning of women's division matches because the excitement continues as we now shift our attention to the men's division where power, intensity, and high-level competition are sure to take center stage. Before we begin, we would like to once again express our heartfelt gratitude to our beloved Governor, Ramon Monmon V. Gico III, whose unwavering support commitment to sports development has made this prestigious tournament possible. Through his vision and leadership, our local athletes are given the opportunity to showcase their skills, represent their municipalities with pride, and inspire the next generation of volleyball players. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to kick off our men's division schedule with an exciting showdown. On one side of the court is Team Mangataram currently holding a 2-2 win-loss record. They enter today's match with momentum after earning an impressive victory in their previous outing. Leading the charge was their player of the game, Carmelo Marquez, who delivered an outstanding 20-point performance, proving to be a dominant force on both offense and defense. With confidence building from their recent win, Team Mangataram will be looking to carry that momentum into today's contest and climb higher in the standings. Standing across the net is Team Mabini, a team determined to bounce back after suffering a loss in their last game. While their previous outing didn't go as planned, every new match offers a fresh opportunity to regroup and respond. Expect Team Mabini to come into today's game with renewed focus, determination, and the desire to return to the winning column. They will be looking to challenge mga Taram from the opening serve and make every point count. Both teams know the importance of this match as the competition continues to intensify in the Western Conference. Mga Tarum hopes to build on its recent success while Mabini is eager to prove that they can quickly recover from the adversity. Will Mangataram continue its winning momentum behind another stellar performance from Carmelo Marquez? Or will Mabini answer with a strong comeback and earn a much-needed victory? We are about to find out. Wherever you're watching from, stay with us because the men's division is officially underway. And this promises to be an exciting battle from the first serve to the match point. I am Maria Victoria Ferrer together with my partner Joseph Soriano. Sit back, enjoy the action, and let's get ready for men's division volleyball. for the first service. Jersey number 13 to Ventanilla. Estrada. The open. Viernes will set it to Ventanilla. Blocked, a self-cover. Free ball for Team Mabini. Estrada, back set. And that is wide. So, first point for Team Mangataram.
Serving jersey number 9, Flores. Free ball para sa Team Mangataram. Flores to Ventanilla. Andun si Lorde. Free ball para sa Team Mangataram. Flores to the middle. That is outside. Serving jersey number 1. Net violation called on Team Mangataram. Serving jersey number 3, Manzano. Flores. Back set to Ventanilla. That is not over. Point for Team Mabini. Manzano. Service out. Point for Team Mangataram. Ventanilla serving. Block. Run it is blocked. Ventanilla now serving. Tawataw. Over receive. Powerful hit by Sanchez. We are tied at 4 here in the first set. Sanchez serving.
Received Flores. Sets it to Viernes, but that is outside.
Point here for Team Mabini. And 4-setter there for Team Mangataram. Still serving jersey number 17. Sanchez. Flores to the middle. Marquez gets the point. Viernes. Tawataw. Self-cover won't work. Serving jersey number 17, Viernes.
Too strong for that serve. Serving jersey number 20, Tawataw. Receive 1-2 play and score for the setter of Team Mangataram. Serving jersey number 15, Marquez Estrada. Oh, what a set, underhand set. Now the service zone, jersey number 10, Flores. Louis, but that is outside. Still serving jersey number 10. Manzano, what a powerful cross-court attack. And timeout, Team Mangataram. Lamang po ng 3 ang Team Mabini.
Ranit still serving. Flores will go to Rillion. That will work for Team Mangataram.
Good response there on the side of Team Mangataram after that timeout. Now the service zone, jersey number 8, Louis Marquez. Shows and a point for the captain, Ventimiglia.
Jersey number 8 serving, Louis Marquez. Estrada goes to Manzano off the block. Flores.
Miset Sanchez.
We are now tied at 10 apiece.
It's a 3-0 run here after that timeout of Team Mangataram.
Louis Marquez. Estrada to Manzano, drop ball. That will work.
Smart play by Manzano. Serving, jersey number 13, Estrada.
Flores to Ventimiglia. With the block, Sanchez plays setter to Manzano off speed. Flores 1-2 play. Manzano gives a free ball. Flores to Ventimiglia, block. Andun si Soriano from the pipe. Estrada chases that ball to Manzano. Over receive. Estrada to Manzano, block. Sanchez gives a free ball. Flores to Rillion. Good play for Team Mga Taram. Serving jersey number 9, Flores. Estrada. Manzano pushes that one on that block. Jersey number 1, serving Hernandez. Bentinilla. Flores to Viernes.
Serving Rillion. Estrada back set to Sanchez, and what a powerful attack there for Sanchez.
Manzano. Flores. Good ball. Estrada to Sanchez. Breaks through the block of Viernes and Marquez. Two-point lead here for Team Mabini. Manzano. Short serve. Flores. That attack will work for jersey number 17. Ventinilla now serving. Estrada to Sanchez, block. Estrada from the pipe.
Net violation there on the side of Team Mga Taram.
Sanchez.
And the service ace. Short serve. Estrada, quick set to Tawataw. And a 4-point lead here for Team Mabini.
Sanchez. Soriano is there. Marquez. That is off the block. Point for Team Mga Taram.
Serving Viernes. Estrada, quick set to Tawataw. Good chase, but hindi na may tatawid pa ang bola.
Four-point lead here for Team Mabini. Tawataw. Flores to Marquez.
Substitution here for Team Mga Taram. 15 out, 3 in.
Fernandez. Estrada to the middle, run it. Good ball. Free ball ibibigay para sa Mabini. Estrada to run it. That is inside. Run it. Flores to Rillion. Down to a 3-point lead here for Team Mabini. Louis Marquez serving.
Nasa 20-point mark na po tayo ng ating first set.
Estrada.
Estrada, sinet kay Manzano, and he gets the point. Mga Taram will use their final timeout here sa ating first set. Official score, 21-16. This is a 5-point lead.
You are still watching us here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center, Lingayen, Pangasinan. This is the match between Team Mabini and Team Mangataram. Meanwhile, that attack is brought to you by jersey number 4, Rillion. Now serving jersey number 9, Flores.
Good serve. Over received. Flores to the middle. Flores itataas para kay Viernes. Blocked. Andun si Fernandez. Flores to Viernes again. And point for Team Mangataram.
Serving jersey number 9, Flores.
Good serve. Estrada itataas para kay Manzano. And that catches the line.
Serving jersey number 1, Hernandez. Bentinilla. Flores. Bentinilla.
Substitution, babalik na po dito si Marquez. And Rillion out, the Guzman in.
Jersey number 12 serving. De Guzman. Estrada to Tawata is blocked.
And it's time for Team Mabini to call for time.
De Guzman serving. Estrada goes to Wataw.
What a zero tempo set.
Manzano now serving. Short serve, and that will be an ace for Team Mabini. That point lead Team Mabini to a set point. Manzano. Flores. Good ball.
Good chase, but
And
walang kumuha ng third ball.
team captain serving. Bentinilla. Estrada. To Sanchez is blocked. Point for team mga taram.
2 set points saved here for Team Mga Taram.
Bentinilla. Estrada to Tawataw. Andrew Soriano. Flores to Louis. And that is a point.
3 set points saved, and our official score is 24-23.
Bentinilla. Estrada to Tawataw. And that ends our first set.
Nanalo po
Winner.
ang Team Mabini, 25-23. You are still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. It is between Team Mga Taram versus Team Mabini. This is the first game of the men's division for this afternoon.
Flores now serving. Estrada to Manzano, ginawa ng paraan. Flores, back sets to Biernes. Andun si Pagarigan.
Good save. Free ball for Team Mga Taram. Flores is set para kay Ventanilla. Deflected. Estrada will set it to Manzano. And a point for Team Mabini.
Estrada. To Biernes, andun si Ranit. Point for Team Mga Taram.
Estrada, sinet sa open. Flores. Louis. Estrada, back set to Sanchez. And that catches the line.
Serving jersey number 1, Hernandez. Flores. Good ball. Tawataw itinaas para kay Sanchez. Off-speed attack. Flores to Marquez. Estrada back sets to Sanchez. With a little bit. Stare down. Two-point lead here for Team Mabini. 3 serving 1. Hernandez. Flores to Marquez. That will work.
Serving Ventanilla. Estrada. Combination play. Flores to Carmelo. Manzano off speed. Drop ball. Andun si Sanchez. Biernes from the right pin. No check ball, so point for Team Mabini.
Manzano now serving. Flores to Marquez. Sanchez gagawa ng paraan. Pagarigan to Biernes. Drops ball. That will work for Team Mga Taram. Serving jersey number 17. Estrada to Tawataw is deflected. Biernes to Flores. Estrada. Miscommunication. Flores is there. Pagarigan to Louis. That is inside.
Manzano, Estrada, sinet sa open, and that is a point for jersey number 10. Ventanilla out, Tobias in.
Sanchez.
Good ball. And my check ball. So, point for Team Mga Taram. Tied at 5.
Serving jersey number 15, Marquez. And a service ace for Team Mga Taram, courtesy of jersey number 15.
Serving jersey number 15, Carmelo Marquez. Misreceived. Sanchez itinaas para kay Tawataw Flores. To Louis Marquez. And he gets the point.
Carmelo. Estrada, 1-2 play. Self-cover, Sanchez. To run it. Andun si Louis. Back sets to Biernes. Estrada to Tawataw.
What a quick play there on the side of Team Mabini.
Tawataw serving. Flores to Louis.
That is outside, no check ball.
Tawataw. Flores. Jersey number 10 serving, run it. Flores. Combination play. That is called out.
Walang check ball. So another point for Team Mabini. Lamang po sila ng isa. Deadlock at 9.
Flores.
Estrada to Manzano. Drop ball. Good save. Sanchez to Manzano. And let's wait for the call.
That is a point for Team Mga Taram. Flores still serving. Estrada to Manzano is blocked. 2-point lead here for team.
Now in the service zone, jersey number 13. Flores sets to the open, but crossing violation there for Team Mga Taram.
Estrada.
And
Cornelio serving. Jersey number 1 serving, Hernandez. Louis Flores. Sa gitna para kay Tobias. Drop ball shot will work for jersey number 10. Tobias. Estrada. To Manzano, pushes that one. Flores to Marquez.
dalawa na po ang kalamangan ng Team Mga Taram. Tobias. Estrada to Tawatao. What a quick side out here on the side of Team Mabini.
Manzano serving. Misreceived there by jersey number 5. Service ace courtesy of jersey number 3, Manzano.
Deadlock at 14.
Viernes. Estrada, one hand set. That won't work. Lucky
Miscommunication on the side of Team Mga Taram. Another deadlock.
Soft touch will work for Tawatao. We are tied once again at 16. Tawatao. Flores chases that ball to Louis.
Blocked. Cornelio. Estrada. To run it.
be called a lifting violation on jersey number 10. Louis Marquez on the service zone. Estrada. Flores to Tobias. That will work. Balik sa 2-point lead ang kalamangan ng Team Mabini. 18-16.
Timeout for Team Mabini. Serving jersey number 8, Louis Marquez. Estrada, back set. Good ball. Flores to the middle and a point for Cornelio. Substitution.
Hernandez out. Miguelio in. 3-point lead here for Team Mga Taram. Louis Marquez. Back sets to run it. Self-cover. Sanchez para sa free ball. Flores to Tobias. Pagarigan is there. Pagarigan, tinaas para kay Flores. Point for jersey number 9.
A scoring setter for Team Mga Taram.
Louis.
That is outside. Baba sa tatlong kalamangan.
Substitution. Reyes in. Run it out.
Flores.
Estrada to Miguelio. Manzano ginawa ng paraan.
What an angle by Manzano.
Estrada. Flores to Tobias. Cornelio out, 3 in. Fernandez. Short serve. Estrada, tinaas para kay Sanchez. Torres is there. Fernandez back sets to Tobias. Off speed attack. Andun si Manzano. Estrada to Manzano. Powerful attack for jersey number 3, Manzano. Miguelio now serving.
Good serve.
Pagarigan. Hinabol ni Flores. Tobias. Estrada to Manzano. Ginawa ng paraan. Andun si Biernes.
And that is outside. Another point for Team Mabini.
Baba sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng team mga Tarum. 22-20.
Louis sets it sa 4. Andun si Tawataw. Sinet kay Viernes. And another point for Team Mga Taram. Received Estrada. Sinet kay Manzano. What an answer here for jersey number 3.
Manzano.
Good
Good
ball.
ball. Estrada. Back sets to Sanchez. Andun si Tobias. Flores to Marquez. Sanchez and what? That is inside.
Wow, 1 point lead na lang ang Team Mga Taram.
Manzano.
And a service ace for jersey number 3. We are now tied at 23 all. It's time for Team Mga Taram to call for time. Serving.
jersey number 3, Manzano.
Good serve. Flores backs it to Viernes and he is blocked. We are now at match point.
Manzano serving for the match. Flores to Marquez. And that goes through the block of Tawataw and Reyes.
We are going to an extended set. This is race to 26.
Estrada to Tawataw.
Match point number 2 for Team Mabini.
Serving for the match, jersey number 17. Flores to Louis.
Oh, 25. Race to 27. Substitution, babalik na dito si Cornelio. At papalitan si Carmelo for serving purposes. Service specialist, De Guzman. Estrada to Tawataw. And then si De Guzman. To Louie, blocked. Flores, itataas ang bola para kay Louie. And net violation called on Louie Marquez. Match point number 3 for Mabini.
Tawataw serving for the match. Louie. Dog. Estrada goes to Reyes. Deflected. Flores to powerful attack coming from Louie Marquez.
All 26 at babalik na dito si Ranit. Now serving jersey number 8, Marquez. Good reception, Estrada. Miscommunication, good ball. Estrada will set it to Ranit. And a point for jersey number 10. Match point number 4 for Team Mabini. At nasa harapan na si Manzano, partner.
Yes, partner. Manzano is now in front. Tobias.
Hindi pa raw tayo tapos, sabi ni Tobias. All 27. Walang gustong bumitaw.
What a first game to start this men's division. Flores now serving.
Good reception. Estrada sets it to Manzano. Blocked. Good ball. Flores. Back set kay Viernes. And point for Team Mga Taram. At gagamitin na po ng Team Mabini ang kanilang final timeout for this set.
Still watching us live here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center, Lingayen, Pangasinan. This is the match between Team Mga Taram and Team Mabini.
Set point. Serving for set point.
Flores. Estrada to Manzano!
Hindi papayag si Manzano. Sabi niya, hindi.
Hindi pa ito matatapos.
Yes, 28 all.
And Sanchez now in front to Estrada. Flores to Tobias. Dog.
Set point number 2 for Team Mga Taram.
Cornelio. Estrada to Manzano in the middle. Good ball. Andun si Ranit. Manzano!
Wow! All 29. Kumapit lang po kayo dyan.
Serving jersey number 12, Miguelio. Flores to Marquez. Andun si Estrada. Run it para kay Sanchez. Free ball.
Flores to Carmelo and another point for Team Mga Taram.
Third set point for Team Mga Taram. Now serving jersey number 10, Tobias. Estrada to Tawataw.
And we are going to a third and deciding set for the first game ng men's division this afternoon.
You are still watching us live here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center here at Lingayen, Pangasinan. This is the match between Team Mga Taram and Team Mabini. We are now at third set of the game. Estrada for the first serve. Flores to Carmelo. Breaks that block down. First point for Team Mga Taram. Serving jersey number 17. Carmelo on the service zone. Estrada, bump set to Sanchez.
That is 4 touches.
Serving, Carmelo. Over receive. Flores 1-2 play. Estrada back sets to Sanchez. Ventanilla is there. Cornelio is blocked. Estrada to Manzano. Louis. That is off the block. Point for Team Mga Tram. 3-point lead here for Team Mga Tram for serving 1.
Serving jersey number 15, Carmelo Marquez. Estrada to Tawataw.
Manzano serving.
That is outside. Tumama na sa antena. The point for Team Mabini. Manzano from the pipe. Flores to Ventanilla, and Ventanilla is blocked. Serving jersey number 17, Sanchez. Flores, inangat para kay Ventanilla, and drop ball works for the captain of Team Mga Taram.
Flores. Estrada to run it. Andun si Flores. Flores to
Manzano itataas para kay Ranit, blocked. Regalo again. Good ball. To Viernes, and gets through the block. Another point for Team Mga Taram.
Serving jersey number 9, Flores. Estrada to Tawataw. Gets through the block. Point for Team Mabini. Mga Taram has 3-point lead here. 7-4. Tawataw on the serve. Flores to Ventanilla in the middle. Joust. Sanchez tataas para kay Ranit. Not over. Point for Team Mga Taram. Substitution. Reyes in. Run it out.
Service error for jersey number 6, Cornelio.
Reyes serving. Back sets to Ventanilla. Manzano is there. It's Sanchez. Free ball, bibigay ni Manzano. Flores to Carmelo. Works. Point for Team Mga Taram. Back to a 4-point lead. Bentinilla. Estrada. To Manzano is blocked.
And another point for Team Mga Taram. Tatawag ng timeout dito ang Team Mabini.
Serving jersey number 2. Ventinilla. Estrada to running Hernandez. Estrada to Manzano. Off speed. Nahuli. Point for Team Mga Taram.
And 6-point lead na po ang Team Mga Taram.
Bentinilla.
Good save. Free ball for Team Mga Taram. Flores.
Good ball.
And what a lucky point there for Team Mga Taram. And the net defense of Team Mga Taram is really working this third set.
Angat sa 7 ang kalamangan ng Team Mga Taram. 13 serving 6. Estrada. Back sets to Manzano. Manzano. Off speed will work. Hernandez. Flores. To Louie.
On the service zone, jersey number 15, Marquez. And that is a service ace. 8 na ang kalamangan dito ng Team Mga Taram. Estrada isiset kay Sanchez.
Attack not over. Point for Team Mga Taram. Louie. Estrada. To Reyes. Deflected. Flores to Ventinilla, ginawa ng paraan. Louis. Estrada, back sets to Sanchez. Flores 1-2 play. Dog. Free ball para sa Team Mabini. Estrada, Tawataw. Pagarigan to Flores. That is check ball. Point for Team Mga Taram.
And this is a 10-point lead now for Team Mga Taram. And Team Mabini will use their final timeout of the match. Official score 19-8 in favor of Team Mga Taram. Double substitution here for Team Mga Taram.
Louis serving. Estrada to Tawataw. Good ball. Season to Tobias. Drops ball. That will work for Team Mga Taram. A 12-point lead. 20. Serving 8.
Substitution here for Team Mabini. Reyes out, Ranit in.
Louis still serving. Estrada. Back sets to Sanchez. Tawataw.
Babalik na si Estrada dito.
Louis.
But that is long for that serve.
Sanchez. Season. Underhand sets to Tobias. Off the block point. For Team Mga Taram. Tobias. Estrada to Tawataw, blocked. Run it. Off-speed attack will work. For Team Mabini. Tawataw. Fernandez in. Cornelio out. Estrada to Miguelio. That won't go through.
And Mga Taram is now at match point.
Serving for the match. Fernandez. Estrada to Miguelio. Bentinilla off the block. Estrada from the pipe. Manzano. Season to Marquez. And that ends our first game of the men's division.
Nanalo po ang Team Mga Taram versus Mabini in 3 sets.
our first game here in the men's division of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. Mula sa Team Mabini, nakita naman natin na sila ang nakakuha ng unang momentum during the first set. But after that first set, kitang-kita natin na bumawi ang Team Makatra when it comes to their defense, combination plays, and also sa kanilang teamwork sa loob ng court. Congratulations for our winning team, Municipality of Mangatarem, and still congratulations for Municipality of Mabini for giving us a good game. Right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team. Team Mangatarem, player number 15, Carmelo Marquez, having 11 attacks, 3 blocks, and 2 aces. So congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game. So nakita naman natin na nakuha ng Mabini yung first set. So after that set, paano ka nag-step up as the player of the game or yung top scorer sa team ninyo para makuha yung panalo for this day?
Kanina po, nung first set po, hindi po talaga gumana yung sa blockies ko po kanina nung first set. Kaya bumawi po ako nung second set sa attackings na lang po. At saka kung sakali na lang, kung bumawi na lang po ako sa deflect po na bola ng atake po nila.
Kita nga namin yung effort nyo when it comes to your attacks and also sa yung blocking. So, paano mo naman i-describe yung performance ng team ninyo ngayong araw?
Ano po?
Paano mo i-describe yung performance ng team ninyo for this day?
Overall po maayos naman po kasi lahat po kami nag-contribute, nagtulungan po kami. Mula sa pasa, sa settings po, blocking at sa atake po.
Sana naman message mo sa mga teammates mo, sa supporters niyo, and sa family and friends mo.
Maraming salamat po sa sumusuporta. Una-una po sa mga teammates, sa coaching staff po, kay Manager Laika, at sa mga nanonood po sa amin, sila Mayora, Jensen Biray po, mga Marquez family po, si Hugueta family, Margate, and Tolentino family. At isa pa po, Banes family po, sila Tita Cherry, Tito Jerry, Kuya Bren, JC, Andre, at si Jake po, at si Tita Ems. At shoutout din po sa LGU mga tarong po. At saka kay Ate Lanet, kay Ate Joby po. Maraming salamat po sa pagluluto. At kay Mayor Ramil pa po. Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and again, congratulations for winning this game. Volleyball fans, this is where it ends our first game here in the men's division. But stay here in our page because our game 2 in the men's division is about to start. This is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.